Air conditioner services, air conditioner installation, air conditioner repair services, and air conditioning system installation process from start to finish. Air conditioner installation is a detailed, complicated process. Understanding the proposed steps can help you choose the best HVAC installer to get the most. The three steps of an air conditioner installation. Let us start by saying that we enunciate these steps in codes. Air conditioner services, AC repair, installation, maintenance, and to get started, call us. A member of our local hatchback team is ready to make sure the job done right and first time AC repair if you are here. How to install a split system air conditioner 15 steps wiki how. These units are also cuter, easier to install and more energy efficient and than central air conditioning. This type of AC is so all you have to. How to prepare for an AS installation and reduce heating and 15 April 2020 at addition heating cooling we offer HVAC services that ensure your our team specialization in air condition and installation for home and how to prepare how to prepare for an AC installation. How to prepare for AC installation during the warmer months of year. Your home depends on a fully functioning air conditioning system to keep the inside temperature comfortable at additional heating and cooling. We offered HVAC services that ensure your system works at its best from spring through fall. Our team specializes in air conditioning installation for home and business owners who needed dependable cool air for their family, staff, and customers. Before we arrive and install your new AC system, there are steps you can take to prepare for its preparing and the site in your home for a new AC system doesn't require specialized training to expertise in HVAC products, but we have provided helpful information to make sure you know to type of AC system available, how to prepare for your installation. Installation is something you should expect when you want to manage a home or a business already you within addition heating and cooling.